Your ship's host, Jill Hopkins, here to tell you about the February 2019 edition of Fins Up. To kick off the night, our friends at Checkmate Speed Dating will be signing you up at 8:30 to match you up at 9 o'clock. And speed dating is all inclusive. Whatever you are and whatever you're into, we've got a match for you. You ever seen a smooth Thunderdome? Well, you're in for one. Fins Up DJs versus Stay Smooth DJs. 2 DJ sets enter. Both DJ sets leave. We're not monsters. We've got thirst traps and thirst quenchers. Aboard the Love Boat, we'll have $3 old styles all night long. Ooh. And if all of that wasn't enough, we're having a cutest couple contest. Grab your bae, grab your boo, grab your bestie, and get on out to the dance floor. We want to see you looking sharp and looking your best in pairs. Saturday, February 16th at the Sleeping Village. Doors are at 9 and tickets are $10 in advance and $12 at the door. So get your tickets now.